Up until recently, I did all my design work in Visual Studio, just dropping into XAML when I needed to do something that Visual Studio didn't support in its own tools, which is, for the most part, everything. In other words, when building XAML-based applications in Visual Studio, I do all my work in XAML. I like XAML. I like the editor. But really, is that the way to design applications? I don't think so. I had seen demonstrations of Expression Blend, and its user interface is so obscure, I always figured it was just easier to write the XAML by hand. Turns out that that might not be the case. Expression Blend is easy to pick up if you just take it a little bit at a time. In this section, we'll take a detailed look at some of the most important and basic features of Expression Blend, learning how to break the XAML habit and use designer tools instead. I think that by the time you're done with our coverage of Expression Blend, you'll like it just as much as I do, and you'll be ready to let the designer create the XAML for you. You shouldn't have to create applications using XAML directly, and Expression Blend makes that far more possible than does Visual Studio.